In this video, I'll show you how to make manual discounts on your cart. You can give your customers a percentage discount or a value off of the item price. To do this, just click on the item that you want to give a discount on. This will show an input area where you can enter the amount and the type of your discount. Giving a $4 discount on this item will change the subtotal to 40. And giving a 5% discount will change the subtotal to 41.80. You can click the item again to close this input area. And now the new price will be reflected on the cart's final total. Now, if you want to do a manual discount and apply it on the entire transaction, you can find the discount item and then add it to the cart. You will see it added like an item. But because it's a 10% discount off of the entire transaction, you will notice that its subtotal gets adjusted as you add more items to your cart. And that's how you give manual discounts to your customers. That's it for this video. Feel free to visit our website for more information.